morning, everybody. Welcome back to Fun with Fords. I'm Eric, and my wife told me that in my last couple of videos I didn't introduce myself or say my name, so I apologize for that. So today I'm going to be picking up a Big Tex gooseneck trailer that I purchased, and so I have to install the gooseneck hitch. So I've got here a way safe gooseneck hitch that I'll be putting in. And if anybody knows anything about these, let me know in the comments. This will be my first time trying this. First time trying any gooseneck trailer for that matter. And then I've got the safety chain hooks as well. And I got the lock. It locks in place so it can't get stolen. So to facilitate this, I'm going to be using the glasses again. I think they worked out well last time. So, alright, let's get started. Okay, we got the hitch. Keys right in there. Okay. First we gotta get the plugs out. And if I'm doing this incorrectly, please somebody tell me. Again, this is my first time doing this, so, and I would appreciate some constructive information. Okay, so put this in here. I'm guessing that there's probably a little WD-40 in here. I also have lithium grease. I guess that would work too, but I don't know. WD-40 always seems to work really well. Okay. And it is in place. And the theory behind this is the way safe. You can look up on their website. But, when you put the load on here, it'll tell you how much weight you got on the tongue of the gooseneck. So we'll try it out when we hook up the gooseneck. We'll see. All right. Now, one there. One there. I don't want to lose these keys. I'm going to put them in my pocket. I'm guessing that's how it goes. Locking pin. Well, let me put the locking pin this way. I don't know. Again, if I'm wrong, somebody please tell me. And they're in. Okay, let's go pick up a trailer.
This one?
Yep.
Him. Oh, what are you looking for? Information, right there. Yeah, give me a second. You got it?
Oh. Just a second.
Lock and load.
All set. All right, sir.
Initial right here by the gooseneck.
Okay.
And right here by the VIN number.
Oh, let's check that. Want to run off.
It's right here.
All right.
And that VIN number is right there.
Like
I'm going to read it off to you.
Like I can see that. Where is it?
No,
Oh,
right
okay,
there.
okay.
16B3F3827EN 6149937.
Correct.
Initial there.
All right.
And sign right there.
That's my signature. There you go, sir.
Thank you so much, all right?
Appreciate it. All right, you have a good day.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
All right, good day. Hey, this is my first gooseneck trailer. This is a 25.5. Okay. Okay, the weigh safe looks like it's showing 1,000 pounds. Okay, so there's 1,000 pounds on it. Looks to be. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay.
Use the left lane to take the ramp to Texas 12 Loop South, then merge onto Texas 12 Loop South.
There we go.
Continue on Texas 12 Loop South for 3/4 of a mile.
It's amazing, as big as that trailer is, and it's all steel trailer. This thing has no problem towing this at all.
It's not heavy?
Not to me, I guess. Not to this.